Here are 5 reasons why you should clean pickets before painting. I bet you didn't know the last one. The most important reason is because cleaning helps eliminate accumulated dirt, dust, and grime, providing a clean surface for paint to adhere to. Number 2. A clean surface promotes better adhesion, preventing issues like peeling or flaking paint. 3. Cleaning increases longevity of the paint job. A clean surface allows the paint to adhere properly, contributing to the longevity and durability of the painted pickets. 4. Cleaning identifies surface imperfections. Cleaning helps reveal any imperfections, such as cracks or uneven spots, allowing you to address these issues before painting. I want you to follow us now if you haven't before I share the last reason. The last reason why you should clean pickets before painting is because cleaning prevents contamination of paint and painting tools. Eliminating and cleaning the pickets ensures that the paint isn't mixed with debris from wood-destroying insects like termites and wood-boring beetles, providing a smoother and more professional finish. Remember that these tips do not apply to pickets only.